What's up, everybody? It's Shibley here, and we gotta keep it a buck, Google is. Like, it's basically running our lives at this point, right? But even with how much we use it every single day, there's still much more to uncover. So, today, I'm switching things up a bit. We're talking about 10 hidden Google secrets, tips, and tricks that I guarantee most of you have never even heard of. Let's get right into it. Alright, so the first one is something I use the time, especially when I'm in deep work mode editing. It's the built-in Google timer. Just go to the search bar, type in set a timer for, and then however many minutes you need, hit enter and boom, you've got yourself a countdown right there in your browser. No need to pull up your phone, no separate apps, just pure streamlined efficiency. Whether you're trying to crank out a paper, power through some emails, or just need a little reminder to take a break, the Google timer has got your back. And the best part is, it works on both your phone and your computer. Okay, so who here has ever been stuck in decision paralysis? Like, you just can't choose between two equally good or bad options. We've all been there. But guess what? Google has a solution for that too. Just type flip a coin into the search bar, hit enter, and let Google handle the rest. Heads, tails, boom, decision made. Plus, it's kind of fun to imagine Google's servers working overtime just to help you figure out what to eat for lunch. Now let's get into some of the more fun Easter egg type features that Google has hidden away. This first one is a classic Google Gravity. Just search for Google Gravity and click on the first link that pops up. Everything on the page, starts to fall down like it's being pulled by, you guessed it, gravity. You can even interact with the elements, dragging them around and watching them tumble realistically across the screen. This one's definitely more for entertainment than anything else, but hey, who doesn't need a little break from reality every now and then? Alright, this next one is short but sweet. Head over to the Google search bar and type in do a barrel roll. Hit enter and get ready for, well, you'll see. That's right, your entire browser window is going to do a full 360-degree spin. It's quick, it's unexpected, and it never fails to put a smile on my face. Plus, it's a great party trick if you want to impress or confuse your friends. Now for all you gamers out there, this one's for you. Did you know you can actually play Pac-Man right on the Google homepage? No downloads, no installations, just pure retro gaming goodness. Just search for Google Pac-Man, and the first result you see will be a playable version of the game. Use your arrow keys to navigate and gobble up those pellets while avoiding those pesky ghosts. It's a great way to kill some time when you need a break from work or just want to relive your childhood. Okay. Next up is one for all the knowledge junkies out there. If you're anything like me, you're always down to learn something new, even if it's just a random tidbit of information. Just type in fun facts or I'm feeling curious into the search bar, and Google will hit you with a random fact from the depths of the internet. It could be anything from the weird and wacky to the truly mind-blowing. It's a great way to expand your knowledge base and impress your friends with your newfound trivia skills. Alright, let's talk about something we all deal with: tipping. Whether you're a seasoned restaurant pro or just starting to navigate the world of dining out, calculating tips can be a bit of a headache. Just type tip calculator into the search bar, enter the bill amount and your desired tip percentage, and voila! Google will instantly calculate the exact tip amount for you. No more fumbling with your phone's calculator app or trying to do mental math after a few glasses of wine. It's quick, it's easy, and it takes the stress out of tipping. Plus, it's a great way to make sure you're tipping fairly and generously. Now, this one is for all my fellow space nerds out there. If you've ever wanted to explore the vast expanse of the universe without even leaving your house, then you need to check out Google Sky. It's basically like having a virtual telescope right at your fingertips. Just head over to google.com/sky, and you'll be greeted with a stunning view of the night sky. You can zoom in and out, pan around and explore different constellations, planets, galaxies, and nebulae. It's an incredible way to learn about astronomy and appreciate the sheer scale and beauty of the cosmos. So next time you're feeling a little lost in the world, just remember to look up at the stars. Alright, this next one is short and sweet, but surprisingly useful. Ever need to roll a die for a board game, a tabletop RPG, or maybe you're just feeling lucky? Well, instead of digging through your junk drawer for a physical die, just let Google handle it. Simply type roll a die into the search bar, and you'll get a virtual six-sided die right there on your screen. You can even roll multiple dice at once if you need to. It's a simple but handy feature that can save you some time and hassle. And last but not least, we've got another hidden Google game that's sure to bring back some childhood memories. Atari Breakout. This one's a little tricky to find, but trust me, it's worth it. Go to Google Images and search for Atari Breakout. Wait a few seconds and watch as the images on the page transform into a playable version of the classic Breakout game. Use your mouse or arrow keys to control the paddle and bounce the ball to break through all the bricks. It's a super fun and addictive way to kill some time, and it's a great example of Google's playful side. Just try not to get too caught up in the game. You might have a trouble explaining to your boss why you spent the last hour playing Breakout instead of finishing that report. So there you have it, folks. 10 hidden Google secrets that will level up your Google game and maybe even impress your friends. From productivity hacks to fun Easter eggs and even some retro gaming goodness, Google has something for everyone. It's amazing to think that even after all these years, there are still so many hidden gems to be discovered within Google's vast digital playground. So go out there, explore, experiment, and see what other secrets you can uncover. And hey, if you find any cool Google tricks that I missed, be sure to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep it locked right here on FactQuest. That's it for today's Google Hacks. Which one was your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell to stay updated on all things FactQuest. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.